BioFemme pH Balancing Gel. The BioFemme pH Balancing Gel is a refreshing and lightweight organic treatment for women who are prone to vaginal yeast infections. It is applied directly on the external intimate areas immediately after the BioFemme firming toner. It can be used daily after any situation that may affect the pH balance or the vaginal flora. For example, during antibiotic use, during hormonal fluctuations at the time of ovulation, before menstruation or during menopause, following intercourse, or when wearing tights or synthetic clothing. It may also be used after swimming, time spent in a sauna, or after sports. Advantage number 1, maintains a healthy vaginal pH and flora. As we've seen, the vaginal microbiota consists of the symbiosis between bacteria, particularly lactobacilli, and yeast. Lactobacilli produce lactic acid, which helps maintain a healthy acidic vaginal pH and preserve the proper bacteria-yeast ratio. When lactobacilli are in smaller amount, levels of lactic acid diminish, which changes pH levels. At this stage, the microbiota is imbalanced, some yeasts such as Candida albicans overgrow and trigger a vaginal yeast infection. The BioFemme pH Balancing Gel contains lactic acid, which helps to bring back healthy intimate pH levels in order to reduce the impact of pathogenic yeast, particularly of Candida albicans. It also contains 2 prebiotics called inulin and alpha-glucan oligosaccharide. These 2 ingredients have the ability to feed and strengthen the lactobacilli and promote an overall healthy vaginal microbiota. Advantage number 2, promotes immediate hydration and well-being. With refreshing aloe vera and moisturizing polysaccharide, BioFemme pH Balancing Gel helps maintain long-lasting hydration of the intimate tissue. Note: during menopause, the number of lactobacilli decreases significantly, and the female intimate areas may become drier and more sensitive. This is why the BioFemme pH Balancing Gel is highly recommended during menopause, as it ensures the daily protection and hydration of the intimate feminine tissues. Results: the healthy pH balance is restored, the risks of yeast infections are prevented, sensation of discomfort and dryness dissipate. Over time, the intimate areas are healthier and more comfortable. How to use it? Apply the BioFemme pH Balancing Gel with a tissue on clean intimate areas. Leave on.